Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you. We are from Group 4 and today all of us will be presenting a topic about ISO 9000. Before that, let me introduce my team members. We have ATHIRAH binti Muhammad ASRI, HAZEEM IZZUDDIN bin MAHADIR, the only one young man in our team, NURHAZWANI FAQIHAH binti BAHAMAN, and last but not least, we have SYAFIQAH binti Muhammad YUSOF. There are two questions that will be required for us to answer throughout the presentation, so stay tuned.
The topic that we have chosen for ADS411, which is Introduction of Quality Management, is ISO 9000. So next, we will move to Introduction for ISO 9000. The ISO 9000 series is an international standard for quality management system. It was originally introduced in 1987 and has been adopted in over 178 countries with over 1 million registration according to the latest Standard Store Registration Outlook Standard Store 2016. ISO 9000 is a set of standards for quality management developed as an internationally acceptable baseline for performance by businesses. It provides a specification for establishing a quality system to manage the processes that affect products or services. They are not industry specific and may be used by businesses of all sizes. Over 13,000 standards have been published by the International Organization for International Standard Organization. ISO is a non-governmental organization that set worldwide standard. The ISO 9000 family of quality management standard is possibly the most well-known and widely implemented of all ISO standards.
The ISO 9000 family is the world's most best-known quality management standard for companies and organizations of any size. ISO 9000 standard series is now widely accepted as a minimum standard for a quality system for companies. Why does an organization need to be ISO 9000 certified? By becoming ISO 9000 certified means that the organization has a well-run business and is stable. The implementation of ISO 9000 brings more benefits to the organization in improving their quality management system. The first reason for ISO 9000 implementation is to improve organization and products quality. ISO 9000 provides guidelines for organization to perform a good quality management. An organization will be determined to improve the level of quality for the entire organization through every process and every product. Standards yield by ISO 9000 influence the organization to do better in quality design, quality management, and quality assurance to increase their production. Organization will have an improvement in their operating process to produce a final product with no defect. The implementation of ISO 9000 used to refer to this set of qualities-related standards. Sri Lanka's International Sdn Bhd is one of the ISO 9000 private consultancy firms in Malaysia that certified organizations to boost their productivity, reduce product defects, and provide more efficient services. The second reason for ISO 9000 to be implemented is to increase customer satisfaction. The implementation of ISO 9000 influences organizations to perform a good quality management system. Organization improve its entire operating process in making more quality products so that there will be no defects. Final product can be improved and the organization's effort in improving their product can increase customer satisfaction. Organization may provide the customer with quality products according to the customer standards and increase the opportunity of getting more clients. By maintaining the ISO 9000 guidelines, organizations can prioritize and please their customers so that it will lead to more business deals. TUV Not Malaysia Sdn Bhd is one of the private consultancy firms that offer a broad spectrum of certification services on continuous improvement and error prevention to determine customer satisfaction. Next, we will be talking about ISO 9000's principle.
Customer focus is one of the quality principles at the foundation of the ISO 9000. Organizations should understand about current and future needs and requirements to provide more value to customer. More value provided to customer leads to satisfies customer. To know customer satisfies, organization need several methods to obtain, monitor, and also review this information. Survey activity needed to obtain customer satisfaction data based on the identifying and recognized result survey. Benefit from this principle, it will enhance the reputation of the organization. Organization takes appropriate action after reviewing the data satisfaction and improve the system according to customer needs. This improvement will make in customer loyalty, leading to repeat business.
Another principle of ISO 9000 is leadership. Leaders at all levels create conditions in which people are engaged in achieving the organization's quality objective, and they establish unity of purpose and direction. This will help an organization to align its strategies, policies, processes, and resources to achieve its objective. Leadership increases the effectiveness and efficiencies in following the organization's quality standard and achieving the desired results. A good leadership skills may enhance the communication of all levels and functions in the organization. Leaders at all levels are supposed to portray positive examples of behavior to employees in the organization so that they will get encouraged to give their best. By contributing their whole commitment, employees may help in securing and maintaining the quality management standards. As examples, in order to preserve the quality and integrity of their product, Fraser and Neef, F&N Holding Berhad, train their production lines employees in food management and hygiene. They also have a strict leadership of the cold chain management system to ensure proper handling throughout the distribution process.
In principle of ISO 9000, we have engagement of people. When employees from all levels are involved in improving the company standard, a wide range of talent can be put to use in order to help enhance the organization performance. For example, a meeting can be held at least a week in order to discuss customer level satisfaction while using the company product and also the service. And also we can brainstorming on how they can increase the customer satisfaction. This way will encourage the employees to involve and also give more opinion on how they can solve the issue or complaint made by the customer.
Hi, my name is SYAFIQAH and I'll be talking about one of the principles of ISO 9000 which is process approach. The process approach is about efficiency and effectiveness. Using a process approach, meaning all the inputs, outputs, and resources are managed as a process. Process can be defined as a set of activities or action which are carried out in order to achieve a particular result. By using this approach, the company can eliminate waste, reduce cost and time, and since a set of processes are used as a repetitive action, it can minimize the chances to make any mistakes. It can also promote continuous improvement.
The next principle, which is relationship management. Relationship management aims to ensure a well-managed supply chain, ensures a consistent flow of products and services. This can ensure the lifespan of a company or organization is extended. Sidhu Brothers Transport at Sendirian Menhar has been assessed and registered as having the capability to control the quality of goods of services provided.
Next, we have continual improvement. Continual improvement is to sustain a present level of performance, respond to change in internal and external conditions, and also generate new opportunity. This is why organization must improve. People at all levels should be educated and trained on how to use basic tools and also process to achieve development goal. Goal should be matched with this continuous improvement, and staff should be participating. Change toward strong quality system make a huge difference to organization business objective, because successful organization have ongoing focus on improvement in process performance, organization capability, and also customer satisfaction.
We'll be talking about one of the principles of ISO 9000, which is evidence-based decision making. These principles are based on analysis of data and information. By applying this principle, it may involve several procedures such as collecting relevant data and information according to the objective, and ensuring that data and information are accurate and are using a valid method. Example of data that should be collected are customers' satisfaction survey result and performance of the chosen supplier's data. This principle promotes benefits such as improved efficiency of decision made by referring to factorial data, and improve the operational effectiveness and efficiency to the organization. In summary, ISO 9000 is a golden international standard of quality management that presents the guideline intended to increase the business efficiency and customer satisfaction, consisting of 7 principles of quality management, which include customer focus, leadership, engagement of people, process approach, continual improvement, evidence-based decision making, and relationship management, helping the organization to promote organizational improvement. Even though ISO 9000 is not legally required, it may become a market requirement since it is a market-driven and based on consensus. It means that standards are developed when there is a market requirement which is determined by a group of experts in the field who have asked for a particular standard, and they are ensured widespread. The standards are reviewed at least once in 5 years to determine whether they should be modified, maintained, or withdrawn. With rapid growth of new companies these days, this will help the older companies to stay relevant to compete with them, and by improving their performance and customer satisfaction are one of the way. ISO 9000 is like a manual giving them a guide on how to achieve all of this. Thank you.